Hi everyone, welcome back to Skincare Nerds. Today we're going to be talking about 5 things I will never do as a dermal therapist. I've seen this trend going around on TikTok, so I thought we could do it for YouTube. I've got a few things on my list, so strap yourself in. Now I have done some skincare mistakes videos before, so you may hear a few double ups in here. You can go and watch those videos here if you want. But the first thing on my list is I'll never sleep in my makeup. I've not done this for about a decade. Regardless of how many cocktails I've had, I will still get out my oil cleanser or my balm cleanser. It's usually the Pi oil cleanser or the Alpha H Melting Moments cleansing balm. I absolutely love that product. And I will just quickly remove my makeup with that, jump in the shower, use my gel cleanser. So I'm still double cleansing regardless of how inebriated I am, but I'll never sleep in my makeup. And the reason for that is that our skin goes through a reparative process overnight. Our skin works off a circadian rhythm. So it's very important that we remove our makeup so that it can go through that process without having all these free radicals on our skin that build up throughout the day. So definitely remove your makeup before you go to bed. A makeup wipe doesn't count, but to be honest, it probably is better than not removing your makeup at all. But a really good way around that is to have a bottle of Bioderma micellar water right there with a cotton pad next to your bed when you get home. Quickly put that over your skin. I mean, that's halfway there. You're not double cleansing, you're not getting in the shower, but still, it's better than leaving your makeup on all night.
Okay. That's a great pillow.
Yeah, also I don't want that on my silk pillowcase.
Yeah.
Then you've just got to wash your pillow the next day.
Yeah,
My second thing is I will never use a pore vacuum. I get people asking this all the time, even with microdermabrasion devices. I'm just not a fan because of the suction action. So a pore vacuum is a device that essentially it almost looks like the Voosh.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like a Voosh. It's like a little device and it's got a little suction cap on the end and you're meant to run that over your skin. People think it's meant to suck out things from their skin that shouldn't be in there. There is absolutely no reason you would need to have a pore vacuum at home. If you do have things that need to be extracted from your skin, you should go in and see a dermal therapist or dermal clinician who can do that for you and not damage the skin. I'm going to send Maddie a photo of what can happen if you use a pore vacuum that she's going to put here. That should scare you enough not to bother. But essentially, pore vacuums with that suction can really cause a lot of damage and can bruise your skin and cause damage to your capillaries. So that can take a long time to heal and I do not recommend. Number 3 is a triple whammy. You're going to expect this from me as a dermal therapist. I'll never skip SPF, I'll never sunbake, and I'll never use tanning oils. I've done all of those things before, but never again. As a teenager, I used to go to the solarium like that. I'm outing myself.
Shameful.
But I know, it's embarrassing, but I would never skip the SPF, not only because of the skin cancer side of things, but because the sun really contributes quite greatly to accelerated aging, just something I would like to avoid in general. Number 4, I will never try DIY products at home. Nothing that's in my fridge or pantry should be going on my face as any kind of mask or treatment. Step away from the lemon juice. It is not good for your skin. It will alter the pH of your skin. It can potentially impair your barrier, cause irritation. It is not worth it. And mixing that, especially with something like baking soda, I feel like that's a popular at-home DIY thing. Do not do that, please. There is nothing that's in your fridge or pantry that should be used as a mask. I know some people will be like, what about coconut oil? There's skincare products that are specially formulated to use on your face. Just use those. Buy a mask. Doesn't need to be expensive. There's lots of affordable brands that offer great mask options that you can use if you're having a sleepover or something and you want to use a mask. And number 5, given that social media is such a popular place to seek skincare advice, particularly TikTok, I'm looking at you, don't buy things that you hear about on TikTok just because someone that is 20-something told you that it worked amazingly for their skin. Research it first. What ingredients are in there? What is it meant to do for your skin? What skin types is it suitable for? And then maybe you want to buy it if it's suitable and it matches all of those things for you and it's going to work for your skin. Otherwise, you're going to waste a lot of cash over your lifetime. Make sure you're only buying products that are right for your skin type and that are going to treat your concerns. So that's 5 things I wouldn't do as a dermal therapist. If you have any that you think I've missed, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you next time.